truck's on fire. That's cool.
That's cool.
What the fuck? Shit.
Ain't no way that truck is on. What did he do?
Daddy gonna be pissed as fuck.
Hell no.
What did he do? Rev it or something? Well, what that man do? Blow his shit up?
Huh?
What that man do? Blow his shit up?
Who?
Him.
The red one?
Oh,
Nah,
no,
he don't know how to. He gets scared. I can tell because he keep letting off the motherfucking gas, bro.
I thought it was a truck that blew. I was like, God,
Nah, that was that motherfucking the RC
Charger?
over there.
Yeah,
the
I mean
RC.
Challenger. I
Yeah.
fall got down. Hey,
That nigga need to get a scat.
Yeah,
He need to learn that. Keep that motherfucking pedal down, nigga.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm not even gonna talk shit. I can't do a burnout of mine. I've done it once. And
You
got it.
a 5.0 on it?
I got a V6, bro.
Oh, that might be why. Shit.
Nah, you can do a
Harder than
burnout now.
V6.
I got a
Okay.
Kia
Yeah.
too.
Yeah,
See,
true.
but you have an auto, though.
Derek be burning out of his shit. His shit straight stock for real.
Yeah, see,
Minus
well,
the
I can't
intake.
say mine is like, because
And the
basically,
tires, yeah.
I got
tires.
intake, headers, and a mostly full exhaust.
Yeah.
And then, like, it can do a burnout, don't get me wrong.
I think
It's
I
just,
want to get it. I kind of want to get a Stang, bro, but I kind of need a 4-door at the same time, bro.
Yeah, I feel
like
that.
real talk, you know what I'm saying? And I kind of want another fucking Civic.
I
Just
would.
Photo, nigga. I'm sick of 2-door Civics, bro.
Hey, look, them
My
photos.
third one, nigga.
Hey, look. I
I
ain't gonna lie. I don't know if you like Mopar or not, but goddamn.
do, but I
would
had
say
to
you-
go
they
at
got
least
the-
Scat Pack.
I was gonna say they got 4-door versions of them. They got a Charger version. I say shit.
I'm trying to spend $800 a month on the finance.
They back at it again. Popo somewhere. Oh, they ain't with us.
Y'all chew that shit out.
Somebody said, do it again. He has no idea.